Alright, next part. It is Wednesday, March 16th, 2022. I had a bit of work here. Had to, this candlestick holder was filled with wax, both on the bottom and here. So it took a while. I used boiling water and what have you, scrape out all the wax and clean it out. And I drilled holes in it. And then I didn't like it how it looked on the bare wood here, so I had to trim this piece of scrap wood. There's a lot more there. I'm going to put it here, glue it down, drill it in, and I think I'm going to attach this here, like right in front of the portrait, like the lower part of the face, chin, and mouth there, because it's not going to have a candle in it, of course. That leaves space for something else here. I'm hoping to find like some toy, like a wooden toy doll or a toy train car, something like that. All right, to be continued.